Alright, what's good YouTube? Today, we're playing a little game that I guarantee you've never heard of. This game is called Blacksmith, Weapons and Warriors. So, basically, from my understanding, this is just a game where you play as a blacksmith as a donkey, or otherwise known as a jackass, which is why it's called Blacksmith. I would assume, anyway, I don't know, I'm just kind of making conclusions here, talking out of my ass. But I guarantee, like I said, you've never heard of this game. I had never heard of this game until the other day, whenever I was watching Joe Bart rank his top 50 games. He talked about this a little bit, and I thought it seemed pretty cool, so I figured, might as well try it on stream. Now, as I'm recording this intro, usually I record my intros right as I'm editing after I've already played the game. I'm recording this live on stream, so I haven't played this game yet. Don't know what it's going to be like, don't know if I'm going to like it, don't know if I'm going to love it, don't know if I'm going to hate it. But I guess we're going to go on this journey and find out together. We're creeping up on 200 subs, so if you do enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, meet Blacksmith, a very talented blacksmith and his very apprentice scout. Blacksmith enjoyed his job, but horses and hinges weren't paying the bills. Yeah, I'm realizing this while editing. Apparently, I can't fucking read. Across the lowlands lived a royal plump feather family. Plump feather family. King Plumpfeather and his wife Hildred have ruled over the land for many years. Beyond Alpine Ridge lived a lonely wizard named Dudley. Dudley the Rat? He was obsessed with the king's beautiful daughter, Liliana. Using his powerful phoenix staff and a barrage of elemental spells, Dudley kidnapped Liliana and amazed an army of vile something. The king set a reward for any brave soul who could save his daughter. Blacksmith, who desperately needed money, packed up the forge and hit the road to save Princess Liliana. Blacksmith could craft flawless weapon, but using one is not his specialty. He's going to need some help. Okay. So from what I understand of how Joe talked about this, we like make weapons for other animals that are trying to help us with apparently saving the princess or whatever. Okay. So we get orders here. Yeah, see, like this guy. The pig is a swordsman. You'll need to craft him a sword. Okay. So we craft a sword, and we actually craft it. It's not like just a tycoon game. First, we need to choose a metal. You'll earn metals. You'll earn metal or ores to use later, but right now you have an unlimited supply of copper to use. Okay, good. Wait for the copper to melt. You can also pump the bellows to make it melt faster. Okay. Should we wait until it's like in the middle? Slowly pull the chain downward. Okay. Oh shit, slowly. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. You can only swing the hammer 18 times. Try to space your hammering to make it go all around the sword blade. Okay. Oh man, we messed up already so bad. Oh man. Should we just like try to fill in the gaps? We got 3 left. Thinking here, very important. And here. We'll use the last one here. Okay. She ain't purty, but you build the handle of a sword by dropping parts onto it. First drag and release a guard onto the sword's end. Okay. Boom. Boom. We did decent on the handle. It honestly doesn't look terrible. You can see how well you crafted the sword here. Okay. I didn't see if we did like good or not. You'll wait for 3 soldiers today. Take the soldier's order and start building another sword. Okay. Bet. Long sword. Another copper. Okay, we gotta do it slowly this time. Each weapon has 2 main stats. Power equals how much damage it deals. Durability equals how long it lasts before breaking. Better metals will create better weapons with more power and durability. Okay. Let's get it, like, right in the middle. I don't think we should do it instantly. So, like, right there. Should I turn my DPI down, or, like, what? We might have went a little too fast at the end there. Ooh! That's good. Okay. If you hammer the sword poorly, you won't have as much power in battle. Hammer evenly around the edges to get the maximum power for the sword. Oh my god, we just wasted one trying to get that. Fuck. That's fine. So should we, oh. See, that makes sense. We just do it in the middle. And it kind of gets, well, I feel like at the tip we should kind of bada bing, bada boom, bada bam, bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. That's pretty damn good. If you build the handle crooked, your sword won't have as much durability in battle. Okay, so this is also very important. We gotta try to get, like, that hot editing wheels, like, draw a line or some shit. But, like, that line lined up with the line in the middle. Bada bing. Bada boom. Perfect. Let's go. Bada boom. Die, me. Alright, no more using the straight edge as a cheater. That's a damn good sword, man. Oh, okay. Our percentages are at the top. One more sword. Alright. What is that? What does this mean? Okay, another copper sword. Bada bang. Okay, she's not crooked again. I think we go until 10. And then that's whenever we start going from, like, actually trying to get more of the edges. So, like, we could do, like, one there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We'll do it right here. 4. Okay. Boom. 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 Pretty damn good once again. Okay, 100 on foraging, 97 on hammering, and 95 on handle. That's pretty damn good. I didn't even get to read that. Okay, the soldiers are going to battle using your weapons. How well you built the weapons determines... Okay. Boom. We gotta pick this up? We do. Give me that. Give me that. You'll earn an XP when a monster is defeated. Okay. Each weapon's durability decreases as it's used when the monster attacks. Its durability reaches 0, the weapon will break. Holy shit, they're not giving me enough time to read this, dude. I'm sped. I can't read this shit. Oh, that poor... Oh, the guy with the crooked sword is cooked, bro. He's gonna die. We're gonna get the poor pigman killed. Can we just kind of hold? We can. Okay. That's good. If you defeat the monsters, an epic... Oh, God, dude, it's not letting me find an epic weapon. Find a scroll with an epic weapon design. Oh, we have to, like, get blueprints, kind of. A bow. Okay. Okay, so now we can make bows. Great. What's this guy's name again? Scrappy? Or some shit? Wrong game, wrong animal, jackass. Order. Okay, this guy wants a bow. Press D to view weapon designs. Armor piercer. All the epic weapon designs you find are shown here. Click bows to see click the bows icon to see your design, bro. I love words so fucking much. Okay, you can see the parts needed to build this weapon and a check mark if you have the parts already. You can see the bows. You can see the bonus effect this weapon will give you here. Okay, so +5 for all soldiers. You can bookmark the parts to keep track of what you're saving or building. Okay, that's good. That's nice. Parts marked. We already have all this, right? Except for the bow. We gotta make that. Okay, so back to game. So let's make an iron bow. Ah, shit, we don't have iron. Okay, bronze. A bronze bow. Click back button. Or want to multitask. Okay. I don't want to multitask. My brain can't handle that quite yet, so let's just do this first. Oh, that's a little fast. I don't know, like, how much is the point to where... Like, how fast is too fast, you know? So it don't look crooked like the fucking... Oh. Oh, you need to stretch it. Okay. I feel like about there. Or, oh, okay. You literally can't stretch it too much. It kind of has its limits. That's... Okay, that's for the armor piercer. So should we use that yet? Is this just dragging one of your grips? I feel like we should do this one then. Boom. First, drag an arrowhead onto the arrow shaft. Line it up with the arrow shaft to get maximum durability. That's a little crooked. Oh, perfect. Never mind. Okay. I feel like this is going to be really important. Perfect. Dial me. You can scrap a weapon at any time during crafting, which will destroy the weapon and restore all metal and parts to your inventory. You don't lose any? That's good. Okay, so let's finish this. Ooh, 82 on the stretching. Okay. Let's make this guy a sword. A bronze sword, at that. Or should we waste the bronze yet? All the bronze? I don't know, dude. Oh, it's a little fast. Dude, like, why am I nervous when I'm pouring that? It's fine, though. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And then, once we get that part, we just kind of fill in the gaps. I can't tell if that's like... Fuck it. Right there. Boom. That was probably our worst hammering job yet. Wait. You can use loot you've collected for new weapons. You have a limited supply, but they give extra stat boost to your weapons. I think we should just keep basic for now. I mean, it can't get much harder on the second round. There was something that popped up there. I did not read it. Is there, like, boss fights or anything in this game? Boom. I mean, that looks pretty good. Probably in 94 on the hammering. We could have done better, but it's fine. Okay, another sword. We're out of bronze, unfortunately. Let's just try to go a little bit faster and see how it turns out. Like, keep a constant flow and see if it ends up being too fast. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Alright, bet. I think I'm starting to get, like, about where we should hit. That's pretty damn perfect. There was one little spot down there, but that's fine. We're going to try to save our materials. I don't know how that's going to work, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, yeah, we're fine. We can go pretty speedy. Pretty speedy. Man, that bow doesn't look great. Whoop his ass. That arrow was nowhere near pointed towards him, but it's fine. I'm just gonna do this with my mouse the entire time. I have to wait until it lands on the ground, I think. Oh, you can see your weapon's durability here. Ooh, one of those swords isn't doing the best currently. I probably should have saved my bronze on because it looks like the copper is going to hold up enough. Maybe not with the bow though. The bow is looking a little yeah, maybe we should have had the bronze. Yep, his sword broke. Oh man, come on. You got this. Oh, we shouldn't have saved anything. Oh, we should have used the best of the best. You won't always defeat all of the monsters on your trip. I'm gonna lose my mind if it does that, bro. Okay, well. Level 3, apprentice. Alright, well. So, don't have gear fear in Blacksmith. Got it. What is that? A cannonball? Yep, that guy, that guy, that guy. Oh, there's like the 4 things we have to defeat. Hello there, I've got some items that sucks. You need to buy anything. Who the hell is that boy? A pimp. What's this guy's name, dude? Okay, so we can buy stuff. How many do we have? Can we see that? I'm so confused. Oh, never mind. 89. Okay. Let's buy one of those. Fuck it. Might as well. Can we get anything else? No, we're too poor. Okay. That's fine. I'll come back to you, Mr. Dude. What you need? A bow? I got you. I feel like we should save our bronze for swords, you know, because that bow, like that bronze bow, it got ripped through pretty quickly. We got another order, it looks like. Another bow. Should we not do that then yet? Because, like, it's not... Oh, man, that's too fast. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, she ain't pretty, but it's fine. What if we just go to that, and then we go to that? Uh-huh. And uh-huh. Oh. How's that? Let's try that out. It's a little I don't really understand how you're supposed to do that. Okay, let's do one of these. This is not going to end up being a good bow. At all. We probably should have saved all the good stuff for the other guy's bow. I don't want to scrap it. I mean, it looks fine there. Ugh, yeah. We didn't do so. We did good on the arrows. That's it, though. I really think we should just go one at a time, dude. Because, like, we can pump these bad boys out pretty quick, and I don't want to lose track of something and then just end up having to scrap it. I think it's fine as long as you don't see, like, the splatter of the lava. That looks pretty damn good. Oh, that was not perfect. The game is lying to me. That was not perfect. Looks pretty perfect. Come on. Dial me. Stretching. We did terrible again. Okay. What the fuck? Man. We're not doing great here. Come on. Alright. Dial me. We haven't done the greatest job on hammering so far, but it's okay. I mean, should we really go up one more? Fuck it. Alright. Boom. 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 We still have 5 swings. Right there. And the last one there. Okay, let's use that bad boy along with this one and that. Perfect. That's a damn good sword, man. Best one yet. Best one yet. Alright, come on. Don't disappoint. Oh, Lord, we're fucked. Once again. But you can... Oh, you can now help your troops by firing a cannonball. Click the button. Click the button to fire a cannonball at a monster. Okay. We'll do it if they start struggling. Sorry, my greed is taking over. This is the one they died on last time, right? No. Yep. Whoop his ass, guys. Whoop his ass. Yeah! Now they're about to die. This is no bueno. Well, there goes one. There goes two. Thug it out. Beat his... Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, we got a new weapon, though. Double axe. That's gonna be fun. I'm liking this game so far. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, did they add a new one? Did they add a new one every day? Oh, that's, I don't know how to feel about that one. But it's okay. Fuck it, we're just gonna use the best stuff, man. I don't really, like... Come on, get hot. Alright. Build the axe head by attaching all 3 parts to the center. Drag each blade and spike and release when it gets against... Okay. It's not like... Oh. It's not like lined up, dude. Close enough, I suppose. Okay, that one's a bit better than the other one. What are we... There's nothing... What am I supposed to drag here? It's like... Is it covered up or something? There's nothing there. Like, am I tripping, bro? Am I doing something wrong? Oh my god, I think it was covered up. Nope, you're literally just having killer. That's, like, perfect. It's still the... Bro. That's as close as it's gonna get. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or, like, what. Bada bing. Wow, that was kind of crooked. No, yeah, it's on crooked, man. Durability's not going to be great on this one. Oh. Well, handle's 99. Not too bad. And a bow. Okay, we got one of each weapon on this fight. I'm just going to try to stretch out the thing to the maximum. And see if that gets us, like, a better stretch score. Okay, that's obviously not the move. Go to that. How many is that? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't go that high, though. Okay, let's try like 3.5. Bro, it's not... Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna make me so mad. That's pretty straight. Okay. She's a little crooked, but it's the blemishes that make her beautiful. Okay. God damn it, that still wasn't straight, bro. Stop lying to me. Unless I'm just tripping. Looks pretty good. Stretching, we had a 96. It's a hell of a lot better than we've done before. Okay, whoop his ass easily. New enemy approaching, Hive Guard. What was that we just got? Oh man, the bow's not holding up great. I think it's because it's copper though, not because we did a shitty job on it. Okay, the bow already broke. We're gonna have to use a cannonball like instantly here. Ooh. Goop, goop, goop. That did not do much. Oh, they have more than one use. Can we just keep dropping cannonballs on them, or does it like use materials? Boom. Okay, it's just another one of these guys. I mean, we might be able to... Oh, man. Oh, we're cooked. Drop a cannonball on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. He's a goat, but he's not the goat. Travel to Cinder Springs. Okay. I guess that's where we're going. Level 5, Axe Grinder. Hell yeah. Editing wheels here, once again. I played this game for like 2 hours. It got a little bit repetitive, as you can tell by just the 30 minutes that this video is. It's just kind of the same thing over and over again. Yeah, you unlock stuff, and it's a really fun game. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to, like, discredit the game by any means. I played it for 2 hours, like I said, and I plan to play it on stream again. But I just don't think this is really a video-worthy type of game, because it's just so... It's just the same thing over and over again. Yeah, you're unlocking stuff, but it's still the same main concept. So, this is where I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. Like I said, I did play it for a lot longer than this, but it's just a little repetitive. But if I'm wrong and you guys do like this video and you want to see more of it, just let me know down in the comments. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that goofy shit. If you want to see more content like this live, I'm live here on YouTube every single day around 8 p.m. Eastern Time. But I will see y'all in the next one. Doses. I played this game for like 2 hours.
No, you didn't.
Can you shut the fuck up?